further to the side.
Okay, like this? Start like this? Right here?
Wait, yeah, way over there, like down the side of your face.
Okay, there. Can I see it?
I'll show you later. Come on, take some shots. Get better. Work on your form. You got the heavy ball? Is that the heavy ball?
No.
Oh, it's a light ball.
Why?
Oh, I'm just checking out. Jumpers.
How did I miss the layup? Oh, God.
All right, come in.